Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kavita Roju, the simple and healthy kitchen. Please share my channel and subscribe my channel, press bell icon. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you friends, thanks a lot. Today's motivational topic is always have a mentor in your life for taking advices, or whatever you are doing, whether it is a wrong or right. Sometimes you know, sometimes you don't know. So you have a best mentor, whether it is a outsider or whether it is a family member, whoever it is, or whoever he is or she is. You have to take their advice. Don't depend on them totally. Just ask them the whatever situation you are facing. So you should go and ask them, and they give their own suggestion by their own experiences. So listen to them. After listening their speech, take half an hour to think about that, and after half an hour you will realize what to do next step in your life. Then do. Thank you friends. Please subscribe me and share my channel, press bell icon. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you friends, thanks a lot.